Happy morning, children. Now we are moving to term 3. The first lesson is Tenali paints a horse. Have you all heard about Tenali Raman? Who was Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman was a poet and jester at the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This is an interesting play. The characters involved in this play are Raja Krishnadevaraya, Tenali Raman, artist, first courtier, second courtier, third courtier, and fourth courtier. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist show his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. The king said, "That is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these." The artist said, "Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for Your Majesty." Tenali Raman said, "I do not think they are such good paintings at all." For that, the king said, "How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely." Tenali said, "For one thing, where is the other side to these two men? You can only see their right side. For another, where is the face of that cow?" The king said, "What an ignorant fool you are! Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing." Understood? Tenali said, "I bet I can paint better than that." For that, the king said, "I bet you a bag of gold that you can't. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the ones we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artists." Tenali said, "I agree. After a month, I will show you a better painting than that one." Then the courtiers start smiling and sniggering. Sniggering means laughing unkindly. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. A month passes. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to one another. All the courtiers told that he will lose the bet, and always he tries to prove him differently. After 1 month, Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lift the cloth to display an empty canvas. Here, gestures means signals with his hand. Signals with his hand. The painting has only a few curved strokes of grey on the left hand edge and a few lines of green at the bottom. Then Tenali Raman said to the king, "Good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead." Stallion means an adult male horse. An adult male horse. Understood? Look at the polished leather saddle on it. The king asked Tenali Rama, "What is this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make a fool of me. There is nothing on this canvas. Father Tenali replied, well, you were the one who told me that you have to use your imagination when you look at paintings. Imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas, grazing on some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner. Lush means healthy and juicy. Then the king said, Tenali Rama, you have proved yourself to be cleverer than me. Then the king asked his minister to bring the bag of gold, and he asked him to give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in his kingdom. Children, go through this lesson 2 or 3 times. Thank you.